Hey guys, my name is Piyush and welcome in this channel. So in this lecture we are going to discuss on golang conditional statement. So basically we are going to discuss on if statement, if else statement, if else statement, switch case statement. So there are four type of statement. One is if statement, another one is if else statement, third one is if else statement, fourth one is switch case statement, right? So one by one we will discuss in each of the statement and we will implement all the statement also. Okay, so first one is if statement, right? So I'm going to create one new um, golang file. So okay, so one new file name is if okay, so stm.go, right? So in this, firstly I'm going to explain what is if statement. So the if statement is used to execute a block of code only if the specified condition evaluates the true. Okay, so if the condition will true, then we will execute the block of code which is inside the if condition, right? Okay, so directly I'm going to explain the example. So package and then the main file, then going to import the read and write package, which is, you can say, fmt, right? Okay, then create the main function. Okay, so inside the main function I'm going to declare one var variable, which is the name of the variable is s, and directly I'm going to specify the name like Piyush, right? Like Piyush, and then using the third of I explained already explained the in the fourth lecture how to declare your variable in short manner. So in short manner I am going to declare my variable, right? So x like this, you can, okay, true. So this is the boolean type of variable, right, which is true or maybe false, right? So there are two conditions of x, maybe true, maybe false. So I am going to declare true here. So this is, I said true. Okay, now going to tell you again, this is the one type of declaring the variable, this is another type of declaring the variables. Okay, you can use one of them also, or you can use um, both as I declared. Okay, so now I'm using the if condition. If x will true, if x will true, then this part of the block will execute. Okay, so for demonstration, fmt dot println pass x. Okay, s is mean, it mean this is s, this is the value, right? So this will print the value Piyush if x will be true, right? So going to save this one and clear the terminal, and I'm telling to the go, hey go run the file. What file? stm dot go. Okay, this is showing me Piyush. Okay, if I will set as the place of true false. Okay, save again and then again execute the query. This is not showing me anything, this is not showing me anything. Okay, so it's mean this x will be false because I already said x is false, so this part of the code will not execute. So now we are going towards the second statement, if else statement. So if x will be false, so if part of the block, I mean to say the part of the code of if condition will not execute. Okay, so this part of the code will not execute, so else part will be execute. Okay, so like this you can define your else part. Okay, so what's the mean? The if else statement allows you to execute one block of the code if the specified condition is evaluates to true, and another block of code if it is evaluates to false. So if x will be true, then this part of the code will execute. If x will not be true, then if part will skip and x else part will execute, right? So in the x else part, I'm going to print for demonstration println, and then like like Bajpayee. Okay, and in here I'm going to remove this one thing, and here I'm going to set its Piyush from, okay, from if, and Piyush from else, right? I'm going to save this one and then clear the console, and here I'm going to run my sorry, here go run the file. What file? SMT, right? SMT file, STM, sorry, stm.go. So this is showing me some error, right? So error is what? So what's error is going on? So going to give some space, save this file again. No. Okay, so if the x will false, so else part will execute, right? So let us just check, first check, otherwise I have a solution also. So again, but error showing me some error. Okay, so no problem here. You just remove this one thing. Okay, just set x value is may equal to the 100. Okay, just check the condition here. If x double equal to 100, suppose that, right? Sorry, if x will equal to the 100, then if this part will execute, otherwise this part will execute, right? Okay, so now I'm going to run my file again to clear, and then again showing me error. What is the error? Unexpected else. Okay, okay, the problem is you should take care this at this line, right? Save this one thing, and now you will not get any error. I think you will not get any error. So Piyush from F part. So if I will take the own example, like what, x equal to true, then remove this one thing. Okay, then you will get Piyush from F, because this is the true, and if I will set false here, and then this will clear everything pale. Okay, this Piyush from else, right? So what we have completed, we have completed two sections, two statements. So now we are going to discuss on if else statement, right? So the if else statement allows to combine the multiple if else statement. So how it is possible, and how you can implement in the code? So like this you can see. So if suppose that x will be like 100, right? And if I'm going to set like here double equal to 50. Okay, so I will print uh, first step, right? And the first else. So okay, so this is the first condition where I am checking x is equal to 50 or not. So if else x equal to 50, then this statement will print, otherwise else. Going to the else, and then condition check if and x equal to 100, then you know what, this statement will execute, right? And otherwise, if this condition also the will false, then else fmt dot println, what I'm going to print. Okay, so Piyush from last else, save this one. Okay, so what is the explanation of this code is, if x equal to 50, if I'm setting x is equals to 100, right? So if x equal, this x is not equal to 50 because x has value 100, so this is not true, so this part of the code will not execute. So going to the else and then checking if x equal to 100, yeah, because x value is 100 and value is also the 100, so x is just equal to the 100, so this part will execute. So your output will be use from first else, right? Use from first else. Okay, so let's say I'm going to check, clear the console. Yeah, so it is showing me use from first else, right? So now we are going to discuss on the last statement. What is the statement? If statement initialization, right? So the if statement supports a composite syntax where the tested expression is preceded by an initialization statement. So what I'm saying, so this is a very cool way going to explain. So check. So this is the function, and under this function, suppose that I'm taking the if condition and I'm giving the some value to the x, um, which is the 100, right? And this is what this is some, I'm declaring the value to the x, okay, but I'm not checking any condition. So this is the declaration, this is the, you can say, variable declaration. Okay, this is the variable declaration, and then semicolon, and then I'm checking the condition. Directly I'm checking the condition here. Directly I'm checking the condition fmt dot println, and then hey, this is Piyush from new sigma classes. Okay, okay, save this. So what I am doing in this code is I'm taking the if condition. Okay, so directly in this condition I am declaring the variable, also I am checking the condition. Okay, and if the condition will true, then this will print this thing, right? Okay, and I'm going to check. This is a cool feature of Go. This is very simple and the cool, cool dude feature. Okay, so going to clear. Okay, going to run. Okay, hey, this is Piyush from music classes, because the condition is true. Okay, so this is the cool feature of Go, and I have done 4 statement, which is if statement, if else statement, if else statement, and switch case statement. Switch case, it means I am taking here one variable declaration, and then just I am checking where the condition will true, and condition will true, then the statement will print like this. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video and giving a huge amount of patience to me, and please do subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon. This will increase my immunity power. It will increase my patience, also my patience and power. Okay, so please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys.